Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at a question like this. Now, as you can see over here, it says what? Braden wanted to give each of his friends, right? When I say each of his friends, I meant one of his friend. Am I making sense here? All right, every one of his friend, right? Equal number of stickers for his birthday. I mean, how wonderful is that, isn't it? All right, your birthday, you're still giving people something, huh? Now, if he gives each friend 9 stickers, this is sentence number 1. The word if over here, right? The word if tells you that this is the first example or the first situation. Okay. So what you will do is this. Okay. What you will do is this. You will draw a model. Okay. You will draw a model. And then you will basically do, all right, you can basically put first. Okay. You can basically put first. And you are going to say that 9 sticker times friends. Why am I writing this? Because I do not know how many friends does Braden. Thank you. Am I making sense here? And as I continue to read, I realize that if he were to do this, he will be short of. What is the meaning of short of? Short of means not enough. Am I making sense here? Oh, short of not enough. That means to say this part has to be written in another way. You see? Can you see that I have drawn this line? Okay, I want you all to erase the one that is inside and then you draw that line. Yeah. Now, so what I want to do now, because I know it's short of, right? It means that the real number or the real total number of stickers is actually over here. Am I making sense here? What is this exactly? This is 69 stickers. Okay, make sure your model is big. Okay, if not, it will be very difficult for you to write down all of these things. Okay. Now, if he chose to give how many each friend? How many stickers? 9 stickers. All right. So we are just going to say 9 stickers times friends. I say that again. 9 stickers times friends. We look at the second if. You can see that there is a second if. If he gives each friend how many stickers? 4. So second is if he gives each friend 4 stickers. So 4 stickers is definitely smaller, right? Smaller or more? Smaller, right? There will be what? 46 stickers.
That's extra.
Very good. This is my extra, isn't it true? All right. So it will not be more than my real total because my real total should stop here. Agree so far? Right. So this is actually what? 46. So I'm just going to put 46 stickers. And what we have right here, whatever that is from here all the way to here, until here only, it doesn't go all the way until the 46, right? It's actually 4 stickers times friends. I do not know how many friends I have. If I have 10 friends, then I will times 10. If I have 5 friends, then I will times 5. Am I making sense here? Now, what you want to do next is, of course, mirror image. Right, so over here will be same thing as 4 stickers. Very good. Times friends. Okay, I just put F as friends, okay? This one I will get 46 stickers. Okay, then this one will same thing, 4 stickers times friends. Now, can you see that whatever that is over here, whatever that is from here all the way to here, can you see this part? Can you see, and do you agree that this part is actually equals to 5 stickers times friends? Because if the whole thing is 9 stickers times friend, this is 4 stickers times friend. Isn't it true that the yellow color part is... Very good. Isn't it true that the yellow color part is basically 5 stickers times friends? Am I making sense here? All right, it's actually equals to 46 plus 69 stickers. Am I making sense? Yes or no? Right, when I do 46 plus 69, I get to 115 stickers. Make sense? Our job is to always get to 1, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find friend. How many friends does this person have? How do I do that? If I want to find friend, it means that I'm going to do 115 divided by 5. Why? Because if I want friend, I want to remove away the stickers. Agree or disagree? Over here will be 115 stickers divided by 5 stickers. Now, if you punch your calculator, When we do 115 divided by 5, we get to 23 friends.
Does not.
23 friends. Now the question, so this is kind of your Mr. Green Man, right? How many stickers can Braden actually give to each friend such that he has no remaining stickers left? So let's see. If I have 23 friends, how many stickers do I have in total? You see, 4 stickers times how many friends now? Now I know it's 23 friends, right? You understand what I'm saying? So this part over here has to be 4 times 23. Okay, this part over here has to be 4 times 23. And that will tell you the number of stickers. Over here, I will have 92 stickers. And of course, whatever that is over here will be 46 stickers. You all understand so far? So in total, right, what is the real total number of stickers? I'm referring to this part over here. What is the real total number of stickers? We can just say, what? 92 plus 46. Am I making sense here? Okay, now, but this is not what they want us to find. Okay, we can just find the real total first. 92 plus 46, that gives me 138 stickers. Now, the question is asking you what? How many will each friend receive, right? So we just have to do 138 stickers divided by 23. When I do 138 divided by 23, I will get to an answer of 6. 6 what? 6 stickers. What do I mean by that? 6 stickers to each friend. Am I making sense here? All right, and that's how you would do a question like this. Everyone, now today you can see, right, in this question, well, we all know that this is an excess and shortage. So what we want to do is we want to write down E and S. I'm going very, very slow, okay? I'm going very, very slow, huh? So you do it together with me. Is that okay? All right, now, a group of boys share some sweets among themselves. Anything to write for this sentence? No, nothing at all, right? Nothing to write at all. So what you want to do is you want to move on to the next part. When each boy, what is the meaning of each boy? Each boy means one boy, right? One boy. What am I going to do if it's one boy? Okay, one boy took how many sweets each? 6. Okay, so this is my first example. Okay, this is my first example. So what I want to do is I want to quickly put down, this is my first example. Am I making sense here? Right? I draw a model. Make sense? Okay. And I see that there were 24 sweets left over. There were 24 sweets left over. What does it mean to have 24 sweets left over? It means that it is the extra. Make sense? Everyone done with the model? So we know that this is the extra. Make sense? Well, how many, again, 24 sweets left over. So we are going to show that whatever that is over here is 24. Am I making sense here? Okay. And 6 sweets each. That means to say we are going to show over here, it will be 6 sweets times boys. Do you understand why 6 sweets times boys? I don't know how many boys. If I have 10 boys, it will be 6 times 10. If I have 20 boys, it will be 20 times 6. So I say that again. If I have 10 boys, it will be 10 times 6. Or 6 times 10. It's the same thing. Correct or not? If I have 20 boys, it will be 6 times 20. If I have 30 boys, it will be 6 times 30. If I have 5 boys, then it will be 6 times 5. Make sense or don't make sense? We go on to sentence number 3. When each boy took how many sweets?
6.
That is second example, right? How many sweets? 8 sweets or 6 sweets? 8 sweets, right? When each boy took 8 sweets, so how do you think, how big is it going to be? When 8 boys, there was no remainder. Am I making sense here? There was no remainder. Can you all see this model that I've drawn? There wasn't any remainder, you know, so therefore everything over here has to be how many? 8 sweets times how many boys? I don't know how many boys. You agree or disagree? Now, so because I know that this is 8 sweets times boys, I want to mirror. Am I making sense here? Alright, so I have 24 over here. This one I have 6 sweets times 6 sweets times boys. Can you all see that? Now what do you see over here? What do you see over here? Can you see this 24? What do you think this is? This must be 2 sweets times boys. True or no? This must be 2 sweets times boys. Sorry? Why is it 2 sweets times boys? Because if I have 8 sweets over here, can you see 8 sweets over here? This is 6, right? So 8 minus 6. Very good. So you can see over here, right? This is actually 2 sweets times boys. Is that something that you can understand or you cannot understand? Very good. So we are just going to write down, because you see, the thing is this, right? I don't know how many boys, so I just put times boys first. Understand so far? If it's 10 boys, then I will have to do 2 times 10. If it's 20 boys, then I will have to do 20 times 2.
20 times 10.
Times 2. Right? If I have 30 boys, then it will be 30 times 2. Make sense or don't make sense? Now, so 2 sweets times boys is actually equals to how many sweets? 24 sweets. Agree or disagree? We want to find how many boys are there. Agree? Because I don't know how many boys, but I know how many sweets. I want to find how many boys. So what do? I just have to remove the 2 sweets. Correct or not? If I want to remove the 2 sweets, what can I do? I can just do 24 sweets. I divide by 2 sweets. Am I making sense here? Very good. So that means sweets and sweets we cancel, right? Whenever I divide, if I see same units, I can cancel them. Make sense? So over here, what you will get is basically 12 boys. Cannot be 12 sweets anymore, okay? It has to be 12 boys. Now, the moment you have 12 boys, right, you can start reading the question already. Okay? The question says, how many sweets were there all together? It doesn't matter which model are you going to use. First example, second example, both will get you to the same answer. And it should get you to the same answer. Am I making sense here? So I know I have 12 boys, right? So I prefer to maybe, you know, if I want to, I will just use the first one. That is the easiest. Am I making sense here? Or actually, the second one is actually easier, right? Because all you need to do for the second one, right, is simply just 12 boys times how many sweets? 8 sweets. That's about it. Am I making sense here? Yeah, so you just have to do 8 times 12, right, to find the total number of sweets. And that's the reason why your answer for this question has to be 96.